If you do any gardening, these Fiskars Pruning Shears are honestly one of those tools that just make life a little bit easier. The first thing I noticed is how sharp they are. They cut through flower stems and smaller branches really cleanly without crushing the plant, which is super important if you're trimming for live growth. The blades can handle branches up to about 5/8 of an inch thick, so they're great for regular yard maintenance, trimming bushes, and cutting back plants. The blades are steel with a low friction coating, so they cut really smoothly, and there's even a little sap groove that helps keep sticky buildup from slowing you down. The handle has a non-slip ergonomic grip that feels comfortable in your hand, and I do think that these are easier to use for long periods of time compared to cheaper pruning shears because they're lightweight and don't make your hands as tired as quickly. Another great feature is the safety lock. It opens and closes easily so you can safely toss them in a gardening bag or store them without having to worry about the blades being exposed. Overall, if you want a reliable pair of pruning shears for everyday gardening, flower beds, bushes, or light branch trimming, these are a really solid option and feel much higher quality than the inexpensive ones from the hardware store.